Hello aspirants, welcome to Isham Academy. Indian History Timeline 2005 തൊട്ട് 5 വരെ നോക്കി നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ആൻഡ് 2005 തൊട്ട് നമുക്ക് റെസ്യൂം ചെയ്യാം. സോ ഈ വീഡിയോ is all about timeline of Indian history. 2005, Cabinet decided to offer dual citizenship for all overseas Indians who migrated after January 26, 1950. President's rule was imposed on Goa and the assembly kept under suspended animation even after the Pratap Singh Rani government wins the trust vote. Tamil writer D. Jayakanthan is selected for the 38th Jnanapith Award for 2002. He is the second Tamil author after P.V. Agilandan to receive the honor. Dandi Marsh route 384 km is declared a heritage path, and the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh announces a rupees 10 crore package for Sabarmati Gandhi Ashram renovation on the 75th anniversary day of the breaking of the SALT Act by Mahatma Gandhi. India's Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle PSLV-C6 is launched from the spaceport in Sriharikota, and it injects two satellites, Cartosat-1 and Hamsat, into their orbits. The Lok Sabha passes the Right to Information Bill. The Prime Minister Manmohan Singh launches the National Knowledge Commission. The government comes out with the first ever outcome budget. The trial run of the first Amritsar-Lahore service begins, linking the two cities for the first time nearly 6 decades. 2006, India's first rubber dam is installed across the Janjavati River in Andhra Pradesh, Vizianagaram district. Booker Prize winner Arundhati Roy is awarded the 2005 Sahitya Akademi Award for English for her book of essays The Algebra of Infinite Justice. The first ever Lahore-Amritsar bus service begins. The world's longest rail is flagged off from Bhilai Steel Plant. The President APJ Abdul Kalam returns the Office of Profit Bill for reconsideration. APJ Abdul Kalam becomes the first president to make a sortie in a combat aircraft after flying in a Sukhoi 30 MKT after takeoff from Legon Air Base, Pune. N. Gopalaswamy takes over as the new Chief Election Commissioner. The GSLV FO2 launched from Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, ends in failure after the vehicle crashes into the Bay of Bengal. Social activist Arvind Kejriwal is elected for the 2006 Raman Magsaysay Award in the Emerging Leadership category. The President APJ Abdul Kalam confers 39th Jnanapith Award on Marathi writer Vinda Karandikar. Actor Shabana Azmi is chosen for the Gandhi International Peace Prize 2006. The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2006 comes into effect. The Prime Minister Manmohan Singh presents the 21st Indira Gandhi Prize for National Integration to lyricist Javed Akhtar. Sri Lankan President Mahinda Rajapaksa inaugurates the 3-day First Asian Mayors Meet in Dehradun. So, ഇത്രയാണ് ഈ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഇന്ത്യൻ ഹിസ്റ്ററി പ്രീ ഹിസ്റ്റോറിക് പീരീഡ് അതിൻ്റെ വീഡിയോസാണ്. അത് ടൈം ലൈൻ അല്ല, അത് ഏൻഷ്യൻ ഹിസ്റ്ററി എടുക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് ഇത് ഇൻക്ലൂഡ് ചെയ്ത് പറയുന്നതായിരിക്കും.